Research has shown that AI improves the productivity of employees by 5 to 10x, and yet 4 out of 5 enterprise deployments of AI do not go beyond POC stage. Hi, my name is Rantej Singh. I'm the founder and CEO of Alligator Technologies, and we are on a mission to build the human plus AI future of businesses. It is important to think through the use cases where AI can be deployed successfully. Any task that requires an emotional human touch, for example, high-value sales, escalations, exceptions, prioritizations, must be handled by humans. Similarly, any task that requires a complex multi-dimensional thinking, for example, creative work or complex product architecture, product design, etc., these should be done by humans in the loop. At the same time, there is a vast volume of organizational tasks that are better handled by AI tools. Examples of these are routine query handling, L1 ticket resolution, product discovery, sales enablement, training support, service reminders, follow-ups, standard documentation, basic code writing. All of these are the use cases where AI, through a consistent 24/7 multilingual service, provides a better experience and a better outcome. So, with a well thought out AI deployment strategy, AI can improve customer conversion by up to 20%, reduce operational costs by up to 35%, but most importantly, through a consistent customer service, it can improve NPS by 5 to 10 basis points. So let's build the human plus AI future of business together.